got the craziest, like, squiggly. You know what I'm saying? Braces.
All right, everybody. Saturday, 4:20. Beautiful, beautiful skies, but the wind has been insane today, and the boys have been over here planting all day. They had the back already planted. No. They had the holes dug. We're supposed to come in behind them and plant. So the holes are dug on the back side of the house, and look at this wind. The wind's just kicking. But guys, got some amazing trees in this installation for sure. Cool stuff in the back. Jap maples. See, half of them on the ground. Let's go see what we got. Yeah. Tree needs to be moved. Look at that beautiful cloud. Tell you what, I moved away from Richmond years and years ago because they didn't have mountains. All right, y'all know I love mountains. So I will say this, today's clouds have been beautiful. Now, while me and my soulmate have been running around town all day picking up more supplies, the boys have been busy, all right? Yeah. 36 holes have been dug from right here right around the back of the house. And 4:20 afternoon, me and my soulmate had the black cow set out. Let me show you. Black cow, holly tone. We're gonna get to planting, start getting some footage. She has holly tone duty today because they made a deal. She didn't have to dig at all today, and the boys would do it if she would do all the holly tone. Last time they spread that holly tone, they've been sitting out for a while. It almost made them all sick, just smelling it so much. Look, they're taking a break. Can't see them, they're watching me. So yeah, we're getting ready to knock this out, plant this dogwood I just showed you, and start the mission. All right, be out here till dark. Do it. So when I'm planting these trees and such, when I have big piles everywhere, I come through, I take that pile, it's all big and chunky, right? We put all the plant food on there, we put the black cow on there, and we chop it up with the shovel. That way it's got a good distribution. Fill it in with that. So she's getting the holly tone ready. She's gonna go through and dust all these piles real quick. I'm gonna plant this big daddy. See if I can get it in right.
What about this pile right here? Look at that. Oh my God, you need help?
may have been a perfect drop.
I think so. Shocking.
You want to chop that stuff? Really? Yeah.
What? You need help? Okay,
Yeah.
it looks a whole lot easier.
Go through and cut these things. All right, guys. It's almost 7 o'clock. Yeah. We're gonna close out the video with a sunset, fast footage like we roll, and we're probably gonna run inside and eat some more. I'm gonna come out here and probably plant some more tonight too. We'll see. That's my plan. But you guys know, when you run out of energy, you run out of energy. So, without further ado, we'll give you guys an Elite Landscapes sunset. It's coming along. There you go.